Okay, so I still have the light switch off. I'm going to go up to here, and before I start removing wire nuts and stuff, I'm just going to gently twist this and get it out so I can take a quick look at everything to make sure I understand exactly what's going on here. Okay, got the wire nuts out here like that. Look at here. See what I'm going to do. I've got these wire nuts. I don't really have to be too concerned exactly how this works just this minute. Okay, before I start undoing wire nuts though, you kind of want to just go through these steps, step by step. Okay, so I'm gently going to pull this wire nut, these wire nuts down. I've still got my light switch off. Like that, okay? I can see that, and I see what's going on here. These wire nuts here tie this fixture over to this one, okay? So if I want, I can undo these right now. Slide that off of there. In fact, you don't even have to do that. You can do that there. Take your tester and put it on there, and nothing is there. No power's there whatsoever. I know it's free and clear. And incidentally, is there another way to do that? If you feel like, hey, I don't want to take the chance like Joe's taking, well, you can turn the light switch on. You go to your electrical panel, and you can look and see which breaker it is, and usually there's a little panel description there. It says kitchen, bedroom, whatever. It should be on a 15 amp circuit or 20 amp circuit, and this particular lighting system is on a 20 amp circuit. Okay, you could turn that breaker off and know that the power is nowhere available at all. Not to the light switch location, not up to this junction box, this possible junction box location, nothing. Okay, that's another way to do it. Then my construction light might not work, or I have to run a longer extension cord. And either way, you can do it that way, and I'm showing you this way on how to do it too. Okay, so here's this one here, and I'm going to remove those wire nuts, and I look in here and I see there's two sets of wires. One set comes from the cable here, and the other set go over to feed this. So I know there's no power at this location. The wire nut came off. It's kind of loose in there. Look at that. This one slid right off. Okay. You want to test that. We can also test it. I can look up there and see which wires it is, and I can put my tester on there, and I know nothing is there. Now if I turn the light switch on, there will be power there. Okay, so I gotta leave that off. See, these wires go right over to that other light fixture, so I know I can disconnect that. And you want me to test this, do you? I'm going to turn this light switch on, and I'm going to show you right here. See, the little orange light goes on. You can see that. There's power there now. I never want to work on something some open wires that are hot, okay, that are hot. I don't want to work on any hot wires. I can test that again. You always kind of want to test that even if your light switch is off. Let's say you have a faulty light switch. I mean, is it possible to have a faulty light switch? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to pan this back a little bit. You get the idea of what I'm doing here, right? You can do it. You can do it step by step, rest assured. Just do it one thing at a time instead of willy-nilly, oh, let's just go up to the junction box and take the wire out and do it that way, okay? I mean, I figured let's go to the easiest point first. So here's just these two wires. This is what connects this light fixture to here, this. Okay? If I want, I can unscrew that now. Look up there and see where the screws are. Shall we take that one down? Let's take that one down now. Let's just move you back here. No break for Joe. Well, sometimes when they hook these together, they might hook this together with a different fitting that you can hook two of these together and then put them both up at the same time. Put one up, slide this other thing, slide this fixture into this one. But I look on here, I see that's not the case. Okay. Now I also, it doesn't look like they put any screw in there. They shouldn't. They probably just pushed this right up, and I think that's what they've done. I see where the mounting screws are. We're gonna loosen this up and see if it won't come down. Okay. Hold that, because I'm right-handed. I do that side first. That way I can hold this with my left hand. And, you know, should Joe have gloves on? Absolutely, I should. You slide your hand on the side of one of these light fixtures, you can cut yourself. Very easy. I'm going to have to put those gloves on in a minute. Okay. I shouldn't be doing this without gloves. Okay, and there it comes. Just like that. Another light fixture gone bye-bye. Okay, let's do this one the same way.